Hey everyone, welcome to the video. I'm North Central, and behind me is the reason why we are here. And it is the first coke-fired iron ore furnace. And we're gonna quickly take a look at it. So if that sounds like something that you might be interested in, don't go nowhere, because this looks pretty interesting. It's big. It's real big. It's really pretty cool too. It's got these little tunnels going off to the back side. We're just gonna walk right through. This thing practically right into the side of the mountain, just about. Oh, and it's really wet back here. See the stone and the bricking, right? Of course, in here would be see, they're caved in, or they've backfilled it all in. I believe it said 1839 when this thing was first fired. It's the first coke fired. This thing's really cool. Really cool. So this is the third side. Go back up here. Nice little nooks and crannies and stuff. We're just back right here where we're here. So you got 3 different ways, and it looks like you used to have 4 different ways, but these are all blacked up back in Neeson's. But 3 different ways to get back here into this. I don't really know how these things work, but they used to make pig iron out of this. That's where I'm stepping. Very nice, very large. So this opening right here is maybe a foot taller than I am, and it's about 3 feet wide. Gives you a little bit of a scale to the size of this thing. It is massive. course, that little tunnel goes right back over here where this was. We were just here. I don't know if there's anything else to see, really, or not. But I thought this was very interesting, just to kind of stop by and take a look at. Big, massive bolts holding it together, right? Very cool. All right, so we were just up there. That's the steps going up to it. The path is over here. Took us up here. There's a fence right here to make it to where you can't go over to it. That does, there does look like there's a walkway from the very top over on that ridge. That's really, really steep right here. But I'm not sure how you can get up to it. Cameras right here. Let's take a look at this little plaque here. See what this has got to say. Take a few pictures. So this is basically the process. The limestone, iron, and coal brought to the bottom and put down. Burning action takes place in here, in which case you dam this with stones. You got your steam engines here, right? And then you got your sand moldings that comes out and go here. So, okay. Then you would load pig iron loaded on the cars to go to the railroad or the canal. And the railroad is literally just down that way. So they break it out right here. They load it on the carts and take it out. Very cool. So it says on the plaque up there that this is the first coke-fired iron foundry that makes pig iron. 260 workers employed, turning out 60 tons of pig iron per week. Wow. Okay, this is the George's Creek Coal and Iron Company, 1837 to 1855. Very cool. Okay, glad I stopped because it is really pretty neat. All right, guys, so that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and go over to the subscribe button. You go ahead and mash down on that thing, go right beside it to the little bell, and hit all notifications. Also, don't forget about the TeeSpring store where you can get North Central merchandise if you want to. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap this up with the first coke-fired pig iron foundry. And until next time, I'm North Central. See ya.